All right, team, taking a look at the new Resplabs CPAP filter. So these are for the new ResMed AirSense 11. This is the newest one, and this is definitely the best one. So the filter is in the back. You can see right here, this is where it's at. So this is the original. This one came, well, it's got a lot of dust in it. Now that dust that this is protecting you against, so that is not necessarily just protecting you, that's also protecting the machine and the motor and everything inside there. If you've ever looked inside of a air conditioner motor, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You want this thing to last, so you want to change the filters. It's supposed to do this once every 2 weeks. So here's the original, and this is the one by Resplabs. You can see they are basically exactly the same. This one might be a little bit thinner, but I think that's just because this has extra material on it right now. You can see that they are exactly the same size, so that's going to be a perfect fit. So the new filter is going to drop just inside this door. There you go. Close that up, and then we are good to go. So yeah, great set of new filters. This should last a long time. It's every 2 weeks, but it's also going to depend on the environment that you're in. If you're in a very dirty environment, you might have to replace it more often. But even still, a 60 pack is going to last a long time.